guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are talking about Kang Daniel from Male Idol, who was criticized for bad looks, become the most successful male soul singer in K-pop. Kang Daniel is one of the most successful solo singers in K-pop. To get the result like today, the Male Idol has to go through a tough journey. At the age of 19, Daniel signed a training contract with MMO Entertainments. This is the wrong decision of a singer born in 1996 because MMO is a small scale company that does not have a decent dance studio or trainees. One of Daniel's memorial moments as trainee was his appearance on the show Her Secret Weapon. Daniel has become a backup singer for Kao Lu and Si Hyun. Kang Daniel, a famous name in K-pop, has been in trouble in the past because he was criticized for his appearance. When he was in school, he was often teased and mocked by his friends because of his appearance. Producer 101 is the turning point that changed Kang Daniel's life. Daniel became one of the 5th trainee represent MMO participating in the competition. Daniel once affirmed that if he failed at producing 101, he would give up music. From an unknown dancer from a small company, Daniel in turn defeated many portable opponents to win the championship. In the final night, Daniel excellently won the first place with more than 1.5 million votes, setting a record for the number of votes in TV show in Korea. In March 2020, Daniel returned with the album Sign after a period of psychological treatment. Despite difficulty in promotion due to COVID-19 epidemic, Sign still sold 266,880 copies and became the best-selling album in March. Recently, Daniel confirmed that he will take on an OST in the movie Backstreet Rookie. This is for the first time he sang the soundtrack. Further his success as solo artist, Kang earned his first top 5 singles in Korea as well as his first solo appearance on Billboard World Digital Song Sales Chart, Yellow 2021, which also topped the Gaon album chart and contained his first #1 single in Korea titled Antidote. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.